Hi, my name is Calvin, and I'm from Patterson High School, and here are 5 things that you need to know.
Number 1. Thursday, October 16th is an early release day, and schools are closed on Friday, October 17th. Download our school year calendar to stay up to date. Number 2. Watch City Forever. This short documentary about Baltimore City College was created by our student media team and premiered at the New Next Film Fest.
Number 3. School choice open houses begin this week. Learn more about school choice and scheduled open houses on our website.
Number 4. What is Patagonia like, and why is our Teacher of the Year there? Send us your questions, and Teacher of the Year Mr. Liu will answer them as he explores Argentina and Chile as a National Geographic Grosvenor Teacher Fellow. And number 5. Tomorrow is City Schools Unity Day. Wear your orange and blue on Wednesday, October 15th to take a stand against bullying.